Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a Kinder Bueno milkshake. First, gather your ingredients: 2 Kinder Bueno bars, 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, and 1/2 cup of milk. You'll also need a blender and a tall glass. Make sure your ice cream is slightly softened but still cold, and your milk is well chilled. This preparation ensures a smooth and delicious blend for your treat. Now, let's get blending. Take 1/2 of your Kinder Bueno bars and chop them into small, manageable pieces. Add the 2 cups of vanilla ice cream, the 1/2 cup of milk, and your chopped Kinder Bueno pieces into your blender. Secure the lid and blend on high speed for about 30 to 45 seconds. You want a smooth, creamy consistency without any large chunks. Once your milkshake is perfectly blended, carefully pour it into your tall glass. Now for the fun part, garnishing. Take the remaining 1/2 of a Kinder Bueno bar and chop it into smaller pieces. You can also add a generous swirl of whipped cream on top. Sprinkle the chopped Kinder Bueno pieces over the whipped cream for an extra touch of deliciousness. Your delicious Kinder Bueno milkshake is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately to experience the best flavor and texture. You might want to add a fun straw and a long spoon to help with all that creamy goodness. This homemade treat is perfect for satisfying your sweet cravings. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to some amazing darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.